Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning. Yesterday, Robin and I ended up tag teaming dinner. I was a little under the weather towards the time of cooking, so I had already done all the prep earlier in the day, and Robin did all the cooking. We prepared saffron chicken with cilantro and lemon. And I know Corey did a saffron dish out there too. We were actually comparing notes in the afternoon. And we did a simple barley pilaf, a baked version, kind of like my brown rice method. Very similar. Today, we love this meal. This is fun. It's not just fun, it's really good. Cowboy Stew. Yeah. I know it's September. It's going to be 100 degrees here in Sutter County, California. But I've been wanting this. So let's get to it. Got the good old Dutch oven out. That's all you need. Bacon. There's bacon in this. I'm using elk hamburger because I have a freezer full of it. Smoked sausage and beef stock. I've switched to unsalted stocks so I can control the amount of salt that goes into my creations. And there's 4 cans. I'm using white corn. Why? Because I can. No pun intended. Black beans, kidney beans, and diced tomatoes. Of course, there's some garlic. So I'm going to put some red onion. There's russet potatoes. I'm using what I call the Yuba City chili pepper blend. It is a Hatch pepper blend that I bought from some great people here in Yuba City a year or two ago, or more than that. Some cumin and some smoked paprika from the local spicery. And you top this off and you mix it in at the end, some cheddar cheese. All right? So that's dinner. This is really good. Yeah. So I'll get the recipes up from yesterday and a photo. I don't have any more video from yesterday. That's how kind of I was yesterday. But I had the photo of dinner. I'll get that up this morning. And on this Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.